Tenali Raman. I'll give you the hint. Students, you all know that we trust our parents, we trust our teachers. When we are ill, we go to the doctor because we trust the doctors. Correct? In the same way, we have to find out whether the king trusted Tenali Raman or the king did not trust Tenali Raman. See the hint. Who has said these dialogues? Yes, the king. The king. Interesting. I want to know more about this sadhu. But you can go now. I will discuss about this sadhu with Raman only. The courtiers leave. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમે જોયું ને, રાજાએ બીજા બધા જ કોર્ટિયર્સને દરબારમાંથી જવાનો આદેશ આપ્યો અને માત્ર રામન સાથે જ સાધુ વિશે વાત કરવાનું નક્કી કર્યું. Why? Because the king trusted Tenali Raman. Now it's very easy for you to find the answer. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is true. The king trusted Tenali Raman. Put a tick mark on the option true in your textbook. Now the last sentence. Will you go to sadhu to get good marks in exam? Students, so what have you decided? Will you go to a sadhu to get good marks in exam? No. I am happy with your answer because the play also you have seen. What did Tenali Raman say? We have to work hard to become rich. If we want to get good marks in exam, we have to study hard. If we want to be healthy, we should eat good food. So, any sadhu cannot give you more marks in exam. You have to work hard to get good marks in exam. So, I am also agree with your answer. Students, I am so happy that we all have completed activity 2A nicely. All of you have enjoyed and understood the activity? Yes, good. I am so happy that you have given me the answer loudly. Yes, madam. Now let's move to activity 2B given on page number 6 in your textbook. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અગાઉના ક્લાસમાં તમે જે પ્લે જોયું એના પાત્રો તમને યાદ છે? કયા કયા પાત્ર હતા? કોણ કહેશે મને? હા, તમે બોલો. Good. Raja, the king. Villagers, very nice. Courtiers, very good. Tenali Raman, most important character. બીજું કોણ? અરે વાહ, સાધુ's assistant. એમને તો કેમ ભૂલાય? King, villagers, courtiers, Tenali Raman, Sadhu's assistant. And what about the sadhu who was fake? Yes, the sadhu was also an important character. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, એક્ટિવિટી 2B માં જે વાક્યો આપેલા છે એ બધા જ વાક્યો કોઈ ને કોઈ પાત્ર વિશે કંઈક દર્શાવે છે. We have to find the answer that this sentence is about which character. Let's do the activity together. Ready? Let's see the activity 2B on page number 6. Open your textbook. I will give you one example. He lived in the camp. The answer is sadhu. So, he lived in the camp. So, Who is this he? સાધુ. તો અહીંયા જેના વિશે આ વાક્ય લખાયેલું છે એ પાત્ર કોણ છે? સાધુ. In the same way, we will find out the character for the given sentences in activity 2B. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો ખબર પડી ગઈ ને આપણે કઈ રીતે activity 2B solve કરીશું? It's very simple and we will enjoy it. Let's see the next sentence. He took out coins from his pocket. ઉપરના વાક્યનું આન્સર આ હિન્ટમાં જ છુપાયેલું છે. You have to find out. સાધુ. Dear child, now I need only 2 gold coins for the puja. Villager 2. It's all right. I will give you 2 gold coins. साधु. बच्चा तेरा कल्याण होगा, लक्षाधिपति भव. The villager takes out 2 gold coins and gives to the sadhu. Raman is watching this carefully. The sadhu puts the coins into his pocket and blesses the villager. Raman pushes the crowd aside and rushes to the sadhu. He falls at his feet. Yes, children, come on, tell me. Who is this he in the sentence? Is he the sadhu or the villager too? Who took out coins from his pocket? Yes? Yes, correct. I heard something. Villager too. Very good. I am so happy that you came to know the answer. He took out coins from his pocket. Here, the he is villager too. So we can also say villager too took out coins from his pocket. Students, see the spelling VILLAGER. Please write in your textbook. બાળ મિત્રો ધ્યાનથી સ્પેલિંગમાં ભૂલ ના થાય. Villager 2. All of you have written? Okay, let's see sentence number 3. He rushed to the sadhu. Let's see the hint. Children, listen carefully. The villager takes out 2 gold coins and gives to the sadhu. Raman is watching this carefully. The sadhu puts the coins into his pocket and blesses the villager. Raman pushes the crowd aside and rushes to the sadhu. He falls at his feet. Very easy, students. He rushed to the sadhu. Who rushed to the sadhu? Raman. Yes, Raman pushes the crowd aside and rushes to the sadhu. R-A-M-A-N. Write it carefully in your textbook without any spelling mistake. Raman. All of you have written? Yes, good. Sentence number 4. He wanted to discuss the new road project. I will give you a hint. Okay? See, there are 2 characters in this hint. The king and courtier 2. Let me read it for you. You will easily come to know the answer. The king. Good morning. Where are my ministers today? I will discuss the new road project with them. ઓહો, મને અવાજ સંભળાય છે ઘણા બાળ મિત્રોનું. એક જ સેન્ટેન્સમાં ખબર પડી ગઈ? વેરી નાઇસ. તમે મારું કામ ઓછું કરી દીધું રીડિંગ કરવાનું. He wanted to discuss the new road project. Who wanted to discuss the new road project? Correct. King wanted to discuss the new road project. K-I-N-G. King. Write it in your textbook. All of you have written? Good. Let's see the next sentence. He produced coins and fruits from the air. તો આ કોણ હતું જે એરમાંથી કોઇન્સ અને ફ્રૂટ્સ નીકાળી શકતું હતું? આપણે હિન્ટ જોઈએ. Children, there are 2 characters. No, 3 characters. Yes, my students are very alert. Raman, courtier 1 and courtier 2. Raman. Your Majesty, I heard about this sadhu. He comes from the Himalayas. He can produce coins, holy ash and fruits from the air. I should not read the next line? Okay. Now tell me the answer. Yes, sadhu, the fake sadhu. He used to cheat the people. Very nice. S-A-D-H-U, sadhu. Please write it in your textbook. Let's see the next sentence. He plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard. I will read it again, children. He plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard. Let's see the hint. Who are the 2 characters in the hint? Raman and Sadhu. Let us see what they are talking. My lord, I have everything in my life. I have a big house, a lot of money and a happy family. But do something so that I can go to heaven after my death. Sadhu, it's very easy for me. Come nearer. Raman goes very near to the sadhu. Suddenly, he plucks out a hair from the sadhu's beard. Now children, who goes near to the sadhu? Yes, tell me. Yes, correct. Raman. So who is plucking the hair? Raman. Students, you have to remember that villagers also started plucking the hair. પણ સૌથી પહેલી વાર કોણે પ્લક કર્યું? Yes, Raman plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard. So our answer is Raman. R-A-M-A-N. Please write in your textbook. All of you have written or not? Completed. Very good. Let's see the next sentence. He came from the Himalayas. Let me give you a hint. Raman, Your Majesty, I heard about this sadhu. He comes from the Himalayas. अरे आटलो बधो आवाज? You came to know the answer? Then tell me, what is the answer? Correct. Very good. The answer is sadhu. He came from the Himalayas. Who came from the Himalayas? Sadhu came from the Himalayas. પણ વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, શું ખરેખર સાધુ હિમાલય પર્વત પરથી આવેલા હતા? No. But the villagers thought that he has come from Himalayas. Write down in your textbook S-A-D-H-U. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સ્પેલિંગમાં મિસ્ટેક ન થવી જોઈએ એ તમારે ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે. સાધુ. Write down the answer. All of you have finished? Good. Let's see the next sentence. He took away the sack. I will repeat again. He took away the sack. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, sack નું meaning તો આપ સૌને ખબર છે ને? We have learnt it while learning the new words. Let's see the hint. Villager 1. Silence. Look there. The great saint is opening his divine eyes. Everyone bows to the sadhu. Villager 2. Placing a big bag in front of the sadhu. Your Holiness, please accept this sack of rice. Advise me, my lord, how I can become rich. The sadhu makes a sign to his assistant. The assistant takes away the sack. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આનો જવાબ શું આવશે? આપ સૌએ પ્લે જોયું છે ને? યાદ કરો. Yes, correct. Sadhu's assistant took away the sack. Write down SADHUS, Sadhu's assistant. સ્પેલિંગ ધ્યાનથી લખજો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. ASSISTANT, assistant. Sadhu's assistant. So we have completed activity 2A and 2B nicely. By this time, you must have remembered all the characters of this play. The king, villagers, courtiers, Raman, Sadhu, Sadhu's assistant, correct? And you have come to know that the Sadhu was fake and we should always work hard to get a job or to earn good money. અને હા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મને યાદ આવ્યું, મેં આપ સૌને કીધું હતું ડ્રોઈંગ બનાવીને મને વોટ્સએપ કરવાનું છે. હજી મને બહુ બધા ડ્રોઈંગ્સ મળ્યા નથી. પ્લીઝ ડુ ધ ડ્રોઈંગ, ડુ ધી બેસ્ટ કલર્સ and please send me on the WhatsApp number. I am waiting. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.